To access Media Dropbox, you would go to med.stanford.edu/Media Dropbox. You'll log in. And Media Dropbox will open. For most users, you should see a Dropbox tab here. The course admin, settings, and media retention are admin functions. In order to add a link or a supplemental document through Media Dropbox, you will confirm the quarter and then select a course. In this case, I will select our Canvas training course. You'll select a day of the lecture. This is pre-populated. To have these sessions created, you can submit a help request to EdTech with your schedule information for the quarter, and we can go in and pre-populate those sessions for you, so they'll show up here. Select a session. Those also need to be pre-populated, and the information for that session will appear on the page with the course, session title, the date and time that the session begins, and the date and time that the session ends. Through here, you can add notes that will be visible to the students from the lecture media page. And you can select to upload either a file or a link. When you upload a Word doc or a PowerPoint or an Excel file, the file will automatically be converted to a PDF and will publish the PDF for the students. That way they can't alter and redistribute the file. Or you can upload a link. So you'll make your selection. If uploading a link, you want to make sure to include http:// or https:// For this example, I'll grab a link from a video that was recorded using Zoom. I'll copy that link, enter it into the box. You can select what type of link you want this to display as. Your selections are alternate lecture video, post-class resource, supplemental resource, optional resource, pre-class video, post-class video, supplemental video, or pre-class resource. Select the option that works best for your particular use case. For this one, I'll pick supplemental video and then click Add. You'll receive a confirmation that the upload is complete, and then you can click Start Over to select additional sessions or upload more media. Now, after you've done the upload, these will display to the students on the course lecture media page. This is the original build of the course lecture media page, where you can see the Canvas training as the header for the course, the date and time of the lecture, and that supplemental media link. If you're distributing this through Canvas, the page will appear with the Canvas formatting iframed into your Canvas section. The same information is available. The UI is just updated to reflect the Canvas style. When students click on that link, the video file will be available in their browser. Again, in order for Dropbox to work, both the course and the session will have to be created in advance. So please send those to EdTech using our help form. That is available at med.stanford.edu/edtech. And you can click help and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you can put in your contact information with a description of the work that you need done. In this case, you'd request assistance in pre-populating a media Dropbox course, and we'll contact you to get the information from there.